Robinhood, let's look at the numbers and see if going into the UK is going to make the business money. I've always said it's a 4 to 6x. Kathy Wood believes the same. Let me share with you why I believe that. Okay, so first of all, we'll look at the intrinsic value. Let's go over to the intrinsic value, and you will see, first of all, here, if we look at the base case, we are actually undervalued. And again, we're just landing in the UK today. I'll give you my referral link in a minute, and you can be the very first person in the UK to get your account set up. Best case, which we could enter next year. We're not there yet, of course. We need low interest rates and inflation coming down, which it is, and interest rates are coming down. This is where we'll be next year, but base case is what we need to look at right now. We're 6% undervalued, but that doesn't take into account what's about to happen with Robinhood, because they're going to get all those customers in the UK. They're going to earn money on that. Then they're going to go gold. Then they're going to make money on that. Then they're going to buy the stock, because most people that are in on a stock that use a brokerage tend to buy the stock off that brokerage. Makes sense. I invest in Robinhood. I use Robinhood. I'm a customer of Robinhood. So then we all buy the stock. The stock goes up. So that's good. Worst case scenario, 38% overvaluation. Now, I've always said, consistently, for a high growth stock, I'm always prepared to pay 25% on the base case overvaluation, because a stock always grows into its price. So the worst case scenario, which we're not in at all, which 38%, I say we're in a base case, and I would pay overvaluation of 25%, but in fact we're 6% under. Very, very good. Let me share with you what's really important though. What's really, really important. The revenue is going up, but steadily. It's about to explode, because when the UK get it, they're all going to be in. They're going to be gold customers, and they're also going to be buying the stocks. The revenue is going to go up. This is what's interesting, though, the most important number. The capital expenditure has been coming down. They've done all the work getting the new credit card out, getting all the work getting into the UK. Now, the expenditure is going down, but the income is about to go up. As you can see from the cash flow, it's all about to go up. All right, that looks good. Let's look at the balance sheet. 26.3 billion on assets, 19 billion on liabilities. That's good. Good position. Long-term debt, no long-term debt, just short-term debt. This is very, very good. This is what I'm saying. Their balance sheet is really, really good. Their margins, 92% gross margin, the efficiency of the company, and it's about to get a lot better, because they're going to be spending a lot less and making a lot more money. Very good. Why is the profitability score so low then? It's not that low. 31 is fine. But again, recently they've been spending a lot of money. They're now going to stop spending and earn money. So the profitability score, I am pretty sure, is going to increase over the next quarter tenfold. This is going to go up. Solvency score, again, they have some short-term debt, but no long-term debt. That's a good solvency score. Anything above 30 is quite good. We'd like to see it green and perfect, but it's been investing. It's going to improve dramatically over the next quarter or so. Wall Street targets 161% on the upside. I actually think it's way higher than that, but there you go. Even at 28% on the mid-range, you're beating the S&P, and at worst case scenario, a 2% downside. But again, not taking into account what's about to happen, right? All very good. Let me scroll down and look at this. This is what upset a lot of people who don't understand, those that were on GameStop and who are gamblers. They looked at it and went, Vlad Tenev is selling all his shares. He sold a fraction of his shares. If you look at how many shares he sold, Bahu, the chief creative officer, sold $884,000 worth of hood. That is absolutely nothing in their case. Absolutely nothing. So don't be concerned about that. But the stock has been going down. They trimmed it back, and that was done on November the 13th. And you watch it go back up again now. So I'm not concerned. I don't like seeing insiders sell, but it's perfectly acceptable to trim off that amount of shares. Not an issue. Not an issue with that at all. What about sentiment? Sentiment right now. Let's scroll down here and look at the sentiment of the stock. Let's look how that's changed over the period of time. Over the last 90 days, there was 36% negativity. Over the last 30 days, 54% negativity waiting for the UK. When's it coming? The last 7 days, negative has all fallen off. It's all good news now. All good news. Last 7 days. And today, all good news. So it's all about to happen for Robinhood. That's what I believe. That's why I am in. That's why I use Robinhood. That's why I have shares in Robinhood. That's why it's going up today. You can see it. It's quite clear to me that Robinhood is going to do very, very well. Robinhood enters the UK today. If you want to be the very, very first person to get it, I just brought out a video. Robinhood is here in the UK. Very exciting. And here is my X account where I have put my the link. I will give you a link for it below and above my head. You can go there and you can get on the list and get Robinhood today or tomorrow. It's about to land and you can be the very first people to use it. I don't get any benefit out of using my referral. I earn no free stocks at all. I could have waited for that, but I decided, no, I want to give you the chance to be the first on the list. If I go up the list, you go up the list. That's how it works, all right? And I will support you. Click above my head for the link, click below for the link, and over here I'll put more Robinhood videos in the series, things I think you'll find interesting. But Robinhood is about to land in the UK and a 4 to 6x. And as I talk about it, you can see it's consistently going up. It's worth $40 in my opinion. What do you think? Leave me your thoughts and comments below. I will answer everyone's videos, everyone's comments with a video. Till next time, take care of yourselves and each other.